In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Adobe Express web page as PDF. If you've designed a web page in Adobe Express and you need a polished, shareable PDF for emailing, archiving, or printing, this quick walkthrough will guide you from start to finish with a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your web page project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're in the editor view of the exact project you want to export, not just the dashboard. Give the page a moment to fully load images, fonts, and any linked content, especially if your connection is a bit slow. This ensures that what you export is a true reflection of your design. Next, look for the Download button in the editor interface. You'll usually find it in the upper right corner, often represented by a downward arrow icon. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding your browser window or checking for a menu icon that reveals additional options. Be sure you're selecting Download, not Share or Publish, since those lead to different workflows. When the download options appear, choose Download PDF. You may see other formats like PNG or JPG, but for a multi-section page or a document you want to print and share professionally, PDF is the best choice. Selecting PDF helps preserve layout and ensures most viewers can open the file without special tools. Before you finalize, you'll typically see a couple of options you can customize. Add timestamp places the current date and time on your exported PDF. Turn this on if you want a clear record of when the file was generated, useful for drafts, reviews, or documentation. Add accessibility tags is enabled by default, and it's a good idea to keep it on. These tags help screen readers interpret the structure of the document, improving accessibility for everyone. Leaving it enabled can also make your PDF more compliant with accessibility standards. When everything looks right, click Download PDF to save the file to your computer. Your browser may ask where to save it. If not, it will likely go straight to your Downloads folder. Consider renaming the file to something descriptive so it's easy to find later. After the download completes, open the PDF to confirm everything looks as expected. If images appear low resolution or a font looks off, make sure your internet connection is stable. Refresh your project in Adobe Express and try the download again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully saved your Adobe Express web page as a PDF.